What's up, guys? Mali Views TV here back again. So today our video is about removing and adding the blades to our 13 amp circular saw. So let's take a look at it here. So as you can see, that is the Skil. Our brand is the Skil 13 amp circular saw. We're gonna remove the blades from this here today. The first thing, before attempting to remove or add a blade to this, one thing you need to know is that you need a wrench. Not a very big one. This one is a 25 centimeter wrench. That one should be good. And next thing you need to know is that there's a pin here. As you can see, this pin here, that pin here is for stuck in the blade. So once you press on it, you won't be able to move the blades. So as you can see, it's stuck there, can't move. So first you're gonna press on that, and then of course you get your wrench, adjust it to the more suitable size, and then let's open. Alright, so it was almost open here, so we're just gonna use our fingers here. I'll remove that real quick. So, alright, so that's removed. Cool. So as you know, see, the blades is removed. Alright, so now we're gonna go back to putting back the blade in. So now we need to know, again we need to remember, you're gonna put the lever around, put the blade in. So when putting in the blade, always be careful to know that the blade is turning that direction. Alright, now you're gonna turn this face down. So you're gonna look at this, make sure it's in line. That's it. Now there's this screw here. I'm gonna put it right here. So first you're gonna give it a good tight with our fingers just to get it to perfection for the wrench. So close to perfection now. Again, you need your wrench and your pin here. You're gonna put this thumb, your left thumb, that button. So sorry about that, guys. Camera battery died. However, so as we were saying, you need your wrench here, and put your left thumb on the push button here. So you're gonna push down, turn. Just want to get it as tight as possible. Turn. Okay. Alright, so once you get that grip, that should be tight enough, because you don't want to tighten it too much. And again, that is all you insert and remove the blade from a Skil 13 amp circular saw. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and tell a friend to tell a friend.